Do you want to add animated drawings like this into your videos? Today I'm going to show you how to create this effect using Video Pencil. Video Pencil is an iPad app, so you can use your Apple Pencil like this. And there's 3 different ways to get a drawing animation out of Video Pencil. Each way gives you a transparent background, so you don't have to deal with any chroma or luma keying. First I'll show you how to make recordings, then I'll show you how to add them to a project, so stick around to the end. So I'm going to show you first how to record drawings, first on the iPad where you can sort of take your time and export it as an animation. Second option is on a Mac with CueCam Presenter, and the third is with a Mac or PC over NDI, but yeah, probably PC. So first, the iPad only option lets you really take your time. So you've got these different controls down the bottom, different colors. You can customize all that stuff, and you can use undo, redo, all that stuff. And then at the end, you're going to get this down here. There's a button here and you can go animated drawing. And once you click that, you're going to give, I'll probably tidy up this UI a little bit by the time you see it, but you can just render that out and it's going to give you this frame by frame animation that you can use wherever you like. So you're going to hit save down here and that is going to pop up the usual share sheet. I'm going to send it to my Mac. It's connecting, sending that over. And then here's the recording on my Mac. You can just see it's exported that out frame by frame, the final drawing. Option 2 is with CueCam Presenter. So this lets you use your Mac and just record the drawing in real time. So CueCam works automatically with Video Pencil. It just connects, and when you draw on the iPad, it comes through to your Mac. CueCam Sweep Plan lets you record separate layers, including an isolated, Video Pencil layer. So if you hit record, you can then just start drawing. So here I am drawing, a bit sped up, and then once you've finished, just click stop, and then you click show file, and now in Finder you're going to see there's this other folder, and in there you have your pencil drawing separately. And again, that's on a transparent background, and I'll just resize that down a little bit so you can see what that looks like. Option 3 is using NDI. So you can go to ndi.video/tools and just download their tools for Mac or Windows. And so once you've done that, installed that, you are going to have, before you run it, you're going to go into NDI on Video Pencil and you're just going to make sure it's sending NDI output and make sure that it's got transparent output over NDI enabled as well. And then we are going to go back to our computer and open NDI. I've got mine in applications somewhere. And then in the NDI Video Monitor app, you're going to select your Video Pencil source on the network. And then when you draw on your iPad, it's going to come through here. And then up here, that's, you can hit there when you've click there to start recording, start drawing on your iPad, and then hit the stop button once you're finished. So we'll just let this run through method 3, and then we're going to go up and hit stop up here. And then check the menus to see whether, this is me checking the menus to try and find the file, but there it is, localhost. It's in a bit of a weird format, but hopefully it will work in your video editor. And so then you've got these recordings. How do you use these? Well, the way I do it is with CueCam Presenter. So this is a CueCam Presenter script. I've got a different card for each part of the script. This is this exact script. What you can do is just go into Finder, just drag that over the top, and now you've got this transparent layer over the top. When I present that in CueCam, it is going to show, and if it's a bit slow, you can set the speed. Just down there, you see you've got a speed control down there, so you can say how fast you want it to go. I also use Final Cut for editing, so you can just drag that into your timeline and it will just play over the top of it with no trouble. And you can also go up here if it's a bit slow and just go like fast. And then I think you'll be able to do similar things in any video software. This is just an example, really. So that's it. Link to the apps in the description below, videopencil.com, cuecam.app. I hope that helps.